Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft on your mobile browser. While there isn't an official, full version directly in a mobile browser, you have two primary options. First, you can utilize cloud gaming services that stream the game to your device. Second, several unofficial, fan-made browser versions exist, often replicating older game experiences. We will explore both methods, ensuring you understand the best ways to enjoy Minecraft on the go, directly from your phone or tablet's web browser. Cloud gaming offers a fantastic way to play the complete Minecraft experience on your mobile browser. Services such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, Now, GG, or Shadow PC stream the game directly from powerful servers to your device. This means you don't need a high-end phone. The heavy lifting is done remotely. You'll need a stable internet connection, ideally with speeds of at least 20 megabits per second, to ensure smooth, lag-free gameplay. Many of these services also support connecting a Bluetooth controller for a more traditional gaming feel. Beyond cloud streaming, several unofficial browser versions allow you to play Minecraft-like games directly. EagleCraft, for example, is a well-known fan-made port of Minecraft version 1.5.2, designed to run in most web browsers, including on mobile devices. These versions are often built using JavaScript or HTML5, offering a nostalgic look at earlier game mechanics. While they provide a quick way to jump in, remember they usually feature a limited block selection, perhaps around 32 blocks, and may lack many modern game updates or official multiplayer support. When playing Minecraft on a mobile browser, several factors impact your experience. First, a robust internet connection is paramount for both cloud gaming and unofficial versions to prevent lag. Second, touch controls can be tricky for precise building or combat. A Bluetooth controller significantly enhances gameplay. Third, performance will vary based on your phone's processing power and the browser you use. While browser play is convenient, remember that the official Minecraft mobile application typically provides a more optimized, feature-rich, and smoother experience designed specifically for your device.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.